Not only is there an exponent, well, an x, but there's also an exponent. The exponent is a fraction. What do you do with something like this? If you can figure out a way to clear that off, that fraction, the problem gets simpler. So the way you do that is you remember this little rule. If you have x squared and you raise that to, I don't know, like the 6th power of a power exponent rule, we multiply those. If there is something I can multiply times 1/5 to make it go away, that's going to make the whole problem easier. What can I multiply times 1/5 to make it go away? Well, if you want to clear any fraction, you multiply times its denominator. But now we got to do the same thing on the other side. So what's going to happen here is 1/5 times 5 is just going to turn into an exponent of 1. 3x minus 1 to the 1st power is just 3x minus 1. And then you have 2 to the 5th. Take 2 times itself 5 times. You end up with 32. Add 1 to both sides. We have 3x equals 33. Divide both sides. And you're like, all of a sudden, why was this problem hard? That's not a hard problem.